Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making green mango chutney. This is our ingredients list. I actually did not use 6 mangoes but 4 mangoes. Right, so we're going to use some cilantro, seasoned peppers, garlic, and ginger. We could do a combination of green mangoes and semi-green. We would need some honey, some sea salt. All right, so we want to cut up our mangoes. And I use my grinder. If you don't have a grinder, you can use a food processor in order to break down everything, which is your mangoes and so forth. There I added the garlic in. I'm adding in the seasoning peppers now. So I like to mix some of the green mangoes along with the ripe mangoes. And that way you get a nice mixture, grounded together. All right, so now basically what you do now is you mix everything well. And then you will season to taste. So you add salt to taste. You add honey to taste. And once the chutney has the desired sweetness and saltiness to your preference, you can then place it in a bottle, put it in the fridge, and enjoy whenever you're ready.